Ko tēnei te puna tuatahi ki tēnei rohe, ko te Puna Reo o Te Ahi Kaikōura Tama ki te Rangi. We actually leased the building of our kura. In the beginning, I suspect that there was a lot of kind of apprehensiveness maybe, just because people were unsure. But I do know that from the get-go, people were keen for something te reo Māori, for something for our pipis, and something that was safe, that whānau could attend as well. I hope, but I do feel confident that whānau would see that here now, and that, yeah, whānau would want to tautoko the kaupapa.
She had such a vision. I couldn't step past it, and I've been on this journey with her since. It's bringing te reo Māori to the children that need it, the tamariki that deserve it.
Most people tend to kōrero i te reo Pākehā. I have a moko he responds in te reo, and that makes my heart sing. I'm so pleased, so happy that we have ngā hauiwā no te ika Māui me te waka a Māui, and that if they wish they can call our mountains their mountains whilst they learn from this puna.
We started our journey in 2019. I applied to Te Pūtahitanga to help us with the consenting phase, and we were just so lucky to receive pūtea.
Because we were going around saying we're starting a puna, but nobody could see it. They couldn't see that what we were trying to achieve until we showed them physically what it could look like in the design layout, and then we showed them resource consent. Now, we would never be able to achieve that if Te Pūtahitanga didn't support our kaupapa right from the start.
Perfect to see our tamariki and the kura whakatau us on, have that exchange. Their haka pōwhiri is like, you know, and then the blessing, which was just so much wairoa, you know, and the mauri was perfect. Yeah, and then even when I did my kōrero, it was just like, oh my gosh, now it's real, you know, now we're actually here, people are here, and we've just got to get tamariki basically. If the tamariki that go through our puna come through and, you know, they become 18 onto adulthood and they're able to just kōrero te reo e rua, tēnei te reo, ko tēnei te ora o te reo. Ai.